Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. We have 5 orders going out and having a little bit of a come to Jesus moment. So let's get to work and then we'll talk about that. First up is a lot of... Oh, wait. You guys. I got a chest harness. So we're going to see if I don't have to do this one-handed nonsense anymore. James Bond slappers only. First up, we got this lot of Bakugan, I don't even know how to say it, for $35.99 plus shipping. And look, custom label, MED001, medium box, 001. I only have one right now, so that's it down there. It's going to be weird getting used to pointing my chest. There we go. Bakugan. Wow, having both of my hands to work is phenomenal. Let's do that. So I picked up this whole bag for about $3 at a thrift store. And that went for $35 plus shipping. Great little purchase. Other, we got trolls. We got trolls in the house. And as you know, they are up there. So let's grab them. Somebody sent me a message asking if I would knock a couple bucks off because it was not the Christmas season. And I said, you know what? Why not? So we got this Christmas Carol one. The Santa one shouldn't be too far. Where are you, Santa? There it is. So $12 plus shipping. And all these trolls are paid for already, so that's just $12 in the pocket. Melissa and Doug, $19.99 plus shipping. Ooh, they are up high. This is the bathroom set. I bought all of these for $5 a piece and sold one already, so this is just money straight into the pocket again. Beautiful. There it is. That'll just slide into one of those priority mailboxes. Working toilet seat and lid. What a thing to advertise. And a video game. High School Musical. Sing It on the Wii. You guys, having both of my hands free to do this is amazing. High School Musical. Sing It. Oh, it's new. And last item of the day was an auction that didn't go so well. A lot of used ball and care mason jar lids and caps. Alright, so this went for $5.10 plus shipping. Only one person bid on it. But this wasn't the money maker. I bought this and all of these in the same bag. And this will go for closer to $30–40. So we're just waiting on this one to sell, and this is just excess. Okay, so come to Jesus moment. I got a lot of stuff in here. Like, I got too much stuff. I'm bringing in new stuff, and I'm having to stuff it into corners because I have too much stuff. So, what does that mean? I think that means I gotta put a lot of stuff on a steep sale and just get it out of here. I'm talking like 20–25% off of stuff. I do kind of want a bit of a start over too. I feel like I'm a better buyer now, and I got stuff sitting around that, you know, has been here a while. Like, for instance, these have been around for almost for forever. have a couple stuff down here that's been here for a long time. I got some pops up there that just haven't moved. What else? The Fast and the Furious cars seem to have stopped selling. A lot of this was post... This shelf's alright. A lot of this was post-Christmas clearance, so I'm okay with that not having moved as fast. But a lot of the car parts, they've just been sitting around. This shelf, as cool as it is, you know, there's a lot of cool stuff on here. But, like, none of it's moved. A couple of the Diamond Select figures have sold, but none of the board games, any of that. So, you know, 5 sales is a pretty mediocre day. I shouldn't only be having 5 sales at this level. I don't think. I feel. I don't know. What do you think? So, but then again, you know, we had a day like this last week, and the next day I sold 14 items. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if I'm just being impatient or what. So I'm not going to let that motivate me. I'm going to get rid of old stock so you can bring in new stuff and implement this SKU system you're starting to do, and just get this stuff out of here. Yeah. Also, it's going to snow the next couple of days, so we're going to go out thrifting. We're going to see what we can find. I have a big death pile to list still. I'm just out of space. I'm looking around and just realizing how little space I have. It's hard to bring in new stock when you don't have the space for it. So, let's get to work. Okay, 331 items selected at 15% off. Let's confirm our selections. So let's see if this gets some things moving. Offer type. You know what? We're gonna up this to 20% off. Did it get rid of everything? No. Okay. Save and review. 331 items selected. So we're going to start it today. August of next year. The heck? Let's have it end by the end of this summer. So 2021. We'll say by the end of July 31st, if this stuff hasn't been gotten rid of. Offer description. What am I doing? 20% off. Exclamation points. And then lunch. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Hopefully we can clear some stuff out and make room for new stuff and make a little bit of money along the way. I mean, I'm operating in the black, so it's not like I'm going to lose money. So, great. Let's go to the post office and let's go thrifting.
customers. My name is Don. I am safety coordinator for Village District, and I need your help.
All right, we're home, so let's go over what we did, what we got. We spent $64.66. Not too bad. A lot better than the $300 we spent yesterday. But let's take a look at some of this stuff. These are the first things I grabbed. This one by itself went for $20 for e-shipping. So I'm thinking, this is the only one that's not brand new. I'm thinking making a lot of these and asking like 40, 50 bucks. So plus shipping. So let's just call it 60 free shipping. So we're already like well on our way here. This, I forgot what that was going for. Let's look it up real quick. Let's see if it remembers. Maisto Special Edition. Special Edition. I'm spelling awful right now. Special Edition GMC Canyon. So spent $8.70 on there. Brand new. That thing went for $60. 55. So we're doing super well so far on our purchases today. I showed you guys this in the store. Tutter from Bear in the Big Blue House, and we got Ojo, and we got a blue from Blue's Clues. I think this green guy's worthless, but I mean that was Tutter here was going for 60. Ojo was going for similar money. I don't know about Blue, but forget about it, y'all. This is like a $15 plate I picked up for 60 cents. Not bad. Scooby-Doo here, $3.70. He'll go if he works. He's supposed to like shake and talk. If he works, he'll go for about 25. And these I paid up for. I shouldn't have gotten these, but I gave in to my worst impulses. I don't know. I'll probably get $30 for them, and I have about 15 into it. So, not my best grab there, but that's okay. Cheezosaurus. He's about a $20 plush. Spent $1.70 on this bag. I don't think anything else in here is worth money, but it's a pretty good turnaround for Cheezosaurus. And then we got a bunch of Thomas the Tank Engine stuff that goes for various amounts. This guy here, he's supposed to be powered, so if he works, he'll go for about 15. We're into this for $2.70 plus 320, so $5.90, $6. Yeah. I'll slowly make my money. Excuse me again. I'll slowly make my money back on that. Picked up this Miller Lite bucket for super cheap, $2.70, and these 2 cups. I do live in Chicago, so I'm gonna see if I can sell this locally for like, I'll probably put it up for 25, knowing somebody will ask if I'll do 20, which is pretty good. And then the biggest purchase of the day, this Notre Dame hockey sweater. I couldn't find any sold comps on it, but like my gut was just telling me to go for it. I spent $8.70 on it, and I saw similar ones selling for about 40, 50 bucks. So we're gonna try, see if I totally royally screwed myself, but we'll give it a shot. And yeah, that was the shopping today, y'all. So this is gonna be the rest of my day. I gotta list this stuff. I gotta list all this stuff. Gotta list this. And by list, I mean create drafts. So let me show you my board. So this is what a momentum board. I've kind of copied what Lonnie at Garage Flip does. It's just the number of items I listed, and then the smaller number is the number of items sold that day. So last week I did 15 on the weekends, 10, 10, 10, 10. I bumped it up to 15 on the weekends, 11, 11, 11. The goal is 12, 13, 14. So by March, I'm posting 15 items a day. So what I do is here, I'll show you. I'll show you what I do. So I just have a ton of drafts saved. And, oops. So first thing in the morning is I wake up, post 5. At noon, I post 1. And then around 6 o'clock, I post 5 more. And that's just to keep me constantly fresh in the algorithm. So that's what I'm doing there. That's gonna be the rest of my day. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. What did you think of this vlog style? If you've watched a couple videos, usually I'll do like only what sold, or only thrifting, only sourcing. So this video is a little different, where I kind of combined both of them. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you all later. See ya!